Meaning of finality.
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 Finality. Finality refers to the state of being ultimate and irreversible. It suggests that a decision or outcome has been reached that is conclusive and cannot be challenged or changed. In other words, it is the end point of a process or dispute. Finality is particularly important in legal contexts where it means that a judgment or ruling is absolute and binding. It can also refer to the sense of closure or resolution that comes with completing a task or achieving a goal, bringing a sense of satisfaction or relief.